A single seized device can contain hundreds of thousands of images and videos. Investigators cannot review all of it manually, and they should not have to review the same content twice. Nexus LE is built to solve both problems. Nexus LE works on digital fingerprints of media files, not the media itself. The fingerprints are calculated on the investigator's own computer, and only the fingerprints are sent to Nexus LE. The images and videos never leave the device. This is the foundation everything else is built on. Once fingerprints are in Nexus LE, three things happen. Known harmful content is identified against trusted databases. Known safe content is filtered out, so investigators stop re-reviewing the same non-relevant material. And duplicate and visually similar files are grouped together, collapsing thousands of files into a much smaller set that actually needs human review. The result is less manual work, faster cases, and less exposure to harmful content for the investigator. So, how does this actually work in practice? Let's walk through it, end-to-end, in 5 steps. Step 1. Videntifier Nano runs on the investigative workstation. You create a device container, give it a name, point it at a volume, and Nano produces a fingerprint archive. Media never leaves the computer. Step 2. You upload the fingerprint archive into a case in Nexus LE. One case can hold multiple bundles from multiple devices, so a full investigation stays organized in one place. Step 3. Nexus LE queries the fingerprints against known content databases and separately finds duplicates and visually similar files within the case itself. These two analyses run independently, and the results appear directly in the case. Step 4. Match results export in Project Vic format, and duplicate information exports separately. Both import directly into Magnet Griffeye, where investigators already do their review. The detailed Griffeye workflow is covered in a later video. Step 5. After review, categorized content from Griffeye can be pushed back into Nexus LE as new fingerprints. The local database grows with every case, and future investigations identify the same content automatically. This is how the system gets more valuable the more you use it. In a typical case, many files containing harmful content are either already known or duplicates of each other. Nexus LE surfaces the smaller set of files that genuinely need human judgment. Investigators spend their time on what matters, not on scrolling past the same content again and again. And because only fingerprints ever leave the device, the data security of the investigation is preserved. Nexus LE is in active use with law enforcement agencies today. The rest of this series walks through each step of the workflow in detail. If you want to see this running against your own test data, get in touch.